Yeah, hi friends, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video, we will learn a very powerful tools a very powerful tool in Microsoft Excel. So that will reduce our lot of working time. That will make us super productive. We will increase our productivity and it will reduce our working time. So the tool is, it is already there in it is a inbuilt features inside Microsoft Excel, that is text to column. That is text to column. So how it works, I will show you how it works. So suppose here is one data. I have taken a dummy data, and so, by the way, from ChatGPT I have taken a dummy data. So now kitchen department data, it's a dummy data. You can use your any down you can download any dummy data from ChatGPT or any other platform, and then you can practice it. Even if you need this data also, I can provide. So you will just tell me whether if you need it or not. Anyway, so here the data is, suppose the data is like this way. Kitchen department data, that is tower 1, then the tools. The first thing is the material, then the quantity, and the material is there, then the price is there, and then the product code something, if it is there. So it's like comma separate, it's a comma separated value. Like there are 4 or 5 phase are there, 4 or 5 words are there, or 4 or 5 separate things are there. So it is comma separated only CSV file. Okay, so now I want to get it in a different pattern. Like quantity will be there, then the product category will be there, then the price will be one field, and then the item category or item code will be in a different field. So suppose there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things are there. Six different comma separated value are there. So I want to get it like 6 different ways. I want to get it under each column. Okay, so now it's a CSV file, it's a comma separated value. So what I will do is, the first thing, I will go to the this page. Okay, let me do one thing. Control Shift F1, that means I have minimized the day ribbon and all those things. Now what I will do is, here also minimize myself. Now I will select this thing, then the first row I will select, then Control Shift down arrow. So what will happen is, the suppose for my case it is 52 data, in your case suppose 500 data or 5000 data are there. So all the data will be selected. Okay, so Control Shift down arrow, so entire entire row will be selected. Okay, so if inside some gap is there, here is one trick. If inside there is one gap, so suppose here, let me show you one thing. This is additional thing, Control Shift plus, that is the one row I have added. Now suppose inside the data one blank page is there. So if I do Control Shift down arrow, it will go till this. So you need to check whether it is any blank page is there or not. That is another trick. So Control Shift minus, that means I have deleted, I will delete this page, delete this row. Control Shift minus, anyway it is not working right now. Anyways, let me right click and and delete it. Okay, so I have deleted. Now what I will do is, the first row, then Control Shift down arrow. So I have selected my entire data, right? 52 data I have. So now what I will do is, I will go to data, inside data, text to column. Okay, now the first thing is, by default the first thing is, it is delimited. Okay, and the second thing is fixed width. So what is delimited and one is fixed width? The fixed width is, let me explain the first thing. Fixed width means, suppose you want to guide that Microsoft Excel, that after 5 words or till 5 words, or after 10 words, 10 letters, I want that value, or before that I want value, that is comes with fixed width. So here it is, fields are aligned in columns with spaces between each field. That is it. So for this particular video we will discuss delimited. Okay, so what is this? Here characters such as commas and tabs separated each field. Suppose you can use this tools for you can use this tool for comma separated and lots of things. There are 4 or 5 things are there. I will show you how you can do it. So delimited. Now I will go to next. Here is the preview. This is the preview of my text, and now I will go to next. When I will do next, what will happen is by default it will be in tab only. By default it will be in tab only. Okay, now inside your data, what are the things are there, like tab is there, semicolon is there, comma is there, space is there, or other things are there. Okay, so for our case here comma we have, right? So what I will do is I will uncheck it and then I will check it like comma. See, again I will uncheck it, I will tab. When I click the tab, see the preview of my data, and now uncheck it and then press comma. Now see the structure, now see the preview of my data. So here it is. Now what I will do is I will press next. When I will do next, by default it will be general only. If you want to get it in a text format, if you want to suppose some date is there, if you want to change the date format like month, day, year, or day, month, year, like that, if you want to change you can. So for our case we will not do it, we will just check it general only. Now what we will do, we will press finish. Now let's see how the magic happens. See here my result. Suppose quantity is separated, now item is separated, and then the material is separated, now the color also is separated, price, all the I have converted the raw data, into a standard, a structured, a professional organized data, correct? Suppose that time it was like this. If I press Ctrl Z, so see the data how it was unstructured. So if you share this data to anyone, suppose your boss or anyone, you are sharing this data, so congested this data is, so anyone, no one can understand what kind of data. They need to read manually and all those things, then they will identify what is this. But let's Control Y, see this data. So it is structured data. We have got item, we have got quantity, we have got material, we have got. Now it is pretty structured, it is pretty clear to us. Okay, so here you can see one thing, there the price and this the product code is not there because inside the main row itself it was not available. That's why it has taken the required field only, and the rest of the fields it did not take. Actually that input is not there, so that's why. So here it is. Suppose you have you can identify that how much time it will reduce if you have large data like 5 lakh data, 10 lakh data, 1 lakh data, that kind of big data you have, and more than that even if you have that data. So how with this tool, how you can reduce your time, working time, how you can reduce, and you can make yourself super productive person. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and we will meet in the next video with any other productive tools, Microsoft Excel tools, and we will discuss that thing again. Okay, so yeah, thanks for this, thanks for watching this video. Thanks.